After I got my large cube set up in my display, started running it, it was looking great. And then I realized that the top wasn't displaying properly. It was 9 degrees out of phase. So this video corrects the wiring from my previous one. I'm gonna take the cube into my shop and I'm gonna go fix it. So I've opened up my large GE cube to redo the wiring on the lid. The wiring right now comes from the left-hand side panel when you're looking at it from the back and goes right to left and zigzags all the way up to the top. In reality, when I've run it in my show, it needs to run up and down. That way it'll actually look correctly with the model from Gilbert Engineering running X-Lights. Right now when I run the cube's effects, the top is out of position by 90 degrees. So I'm gonna redo this wiring, hook it up, and it should look just right in my show. I removed the pixels on the top of my cube and I'm now running them up and down to wire this properly. Well, the GE cube is now fixed. See that rotation working perfectly.